and one eye which was puffed out onto his cheek, and looking very sorry. Within 2 days, she said, I think he has a 75% chance of recovering. So, okay, that's what we'll do. This is the bully dog. He's a troublemaker. So, we didn't put Yoda down, and here he is. He's a happy little dog. Aren't you? You're a happy one, aren't you? So he's the renegade there. He's male and wants to be the alpha dog. He gets beaten down every so often by Porgy. Porgy won't allow him to rule. Get down. Get down, you silly dog. Huh? Go on. Go on. It's all silly red. So you can see the light is fading very fast, but I love this time because it's just still. I mean, I can hear sounds drifting up from Rado's house down there, and it looks slightly smoky. There's Lena's house. Lena is outside cooking at her outside kitchen now. And I think I can see Talaklik. And oh well, she's on her tablet, of course. Are you all done, honey? Okay, look at these two. They've both been fixed. I don't know whether that's anything to do with this friendship. But Porgy's always looking after Red. Red wouldn't let us attend to his ticks, which were gathering in those ears, and so we got a pill. And now his ears are all nice and clean. We got a pill for him for what I gauged was a 60 pound dog, and managed to get him to take that successfully, and now he doesn't have any ticks at all. I'm sure there's side effects, but compared to how nasty the ticks are on the health of the animal, I think it was worth it. And this one, look at that.
Ryder!
She just put him down and he was like a bullet. Ryder!
Ryder!
He just got out of jail, that's why. He's saying he just got out of jail, that's why he's so excited.
It's okay if he will not run, but he runs. Pogi, Red. Okay, play.
See, it's typical of small dogs. He doesn't understand that he's not big enough to play roughhouse with the other dogs. Now, no growling. Hey! They're supposed to be the best of friends, these two.
Yeah, those are your best pal.
Okay, well, any last words?
Yeah, it's
I shouldn't say that with the coronavirus, should I?
just enjoying in the sunset, you know.
Yeah.
We have a lot of time for ourselves this time, you know, which is, I think that's one thing that this virus has been bringing, the positive side on it, although a lot of negative on it, you know, because it scares
Oh, yes,
other people and it's
death
caused
is-
death, right?
Death does
But-
have its negative
Yeah.
side, doesn't it?
But the other side of this, if you look at it in the positive way, it makes family stay together, have time to each other,
Huh,
and
staying-
have time to more
staying
on
home.
reflection on their
Staying home.
spiritual aspect, you know,
Yeah.
and pray.
Although it's separated families in a way from other families
Yeah,
because
that's another thing.
there's no church.
Yeah,
So it hasn't helped in that way.
but I mean, if you generalize it with the people that working and just workaholic,
Yeah.
just work, and just a little time with their family. This time they've been together because they've been locked down in their house, in their homes, especially in the city, you know. Because in the city they're having very, what you call that, very close community. But here, our next community is the next mountain, you know.
Yeah, well, we only meet at church then, don't we,
Yeah.
in many ways. Unless we're taking, like for the blind man, we're taking groceries over
Yeah,
there.
some other families.
It's funny, a lot of people ask names like the blind man. What's his name? How can you keep calling him the blind man? But the names that we use kind of stick, and so we end up, whatever the person's name was in the video ends up being their name.
Rider!
We're going.
You're
We're